Okay, when you're doing the calculation to find the moles of hydrogen gas in aluminum specifically, you have to be careful with that because if you balance this equation correctly, which I think you have, so it says 2 moles of aluminum produce 3 moles of hydrogen. So, so what you want to do is take this number of moles of aluminum that you have. Maybe you've done it right. Let me just try it. Anyway, you take 0.0010, that's pretty even, moles of aluminum. And then you multiply it by what you want. So that's 3 moles of hydrogen over what you have, 2 moles of aluminum. So if you multiply that by 3 and divide it by 2, I think you come up with 150 moles. So that'll be how many moles you have of hydrogen gas, theoretically, that should be produced. And then you use that in your calculation for the standard, the 22.4 liters per mole, to compare it to that.